So now, finally, the last thing that we're going to look at is the lowest common multiple, but in context. So these are the ones that get everybody gets worried about them. So usually the lowest common multiple in context. So the way that works is we've got two things that are happening at the same time. And usually we've got two things happening at the same time and they occur again later on in the time. So the first kind of context question that you would expect is something to do with buses or trains or someone leaving on a walk. So it's usually a journey. So we've got two buses, bus A and bus B. Both use the same bus stop. Bus A runs every 10 minutes, while bus B runs every 14 minutes. Both buses are at the bus stop at 11 a.m. What time will both buses next be at the bus stop? So there are two ways to work out this question. So the first way is by recognising that we need to find the lowest common multiple of 10 and 14. So because these numbers are fairly easy, we can just work out by writing out the times tables. So we've got 10 and 14, and then we'll just keep going along and yo-yoing along until we find the lowest common multiple. So second one is 20, next one is 24, next one is 30, next one is, not 34, 24, 28. And then the next one is 42. And the next one is 40. And then the next one is 56. And the next one's 50. And the next one is 70. And then the next one is 60. And then we know the next one is 70. So we know that the lowest common multiple is going to be 70. Now we need to put that into context of the question. So as we're looking at 10 minutes and 14 minutes, then the lowest common multiple is 70 minutes. So if both buses are at the bus stop at 11 a.m, we want to know when the next buses are at the next bus stop. So 70 minutes is the same as 1 hour and 10 minutes. So that means they must be at the next bus stop at 12:10 p.m. Now another way that we could answer this question is by using prime factors, which you can use which one is better for you. So we've got 14 and 10, so we can split them up in their prime factors. So 14 would just be 7 and 2, 10 would be 5 and 2. Do a Venn diagram. Now what do they have in common? They've got common 2 and 5. So the highest common factor is 2 and the lowest common multiple is 7 times 5 times 2, which is 70. Like that. And then vice versa, 70 minutes